Stop scrolling. If you're buying an air fryer toaster oven in 2026, this video will save you money. We tested 5 top models for over 50 hours straight. Cooked fries, wings, steak, even cookies. Some burned everything. One almost caught fire. But 3 delivered perfection. Number 3 on our list shocked our entire team. It outperformed models costing twice as much. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one deserves your counter space and which ones are total scams. Let's find out. Starting at number 1. Gourmia Digital Air Fryer Oven. Best value. Although the Gourmia doesn't look upscale, it sells for a great price for a dual-function air frying toaster oven. Its unique French door style gives you easy access to the stove. Foods like frozen French fries and chicken nuggets cook up brown and crispy. However, with homemade recipes, you'll see less even coloring and get a lighter crunch. The Gourmia excels at toasting bread and turning out a crisp-crusted pizza. Yet it was only serviceable for baking biscuits, browning them unevenly on top and barely on the bottom. It broiled chicken breasts quickly, but didn't give them much color. Even at this low price, you get a digital control panel with automatic programs. All of the accessories are dishwasher safe, but the aluminum baking pan and crumb tray may discolor. Gourmia also includes a recipe book with comprehensive cooking charts. Number 2. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro BOV 900 BSS. Best large capacity. The handsome, brushed stainless steel Breville Smart Oven Air commands top dollar, but delivers a state-of-the-art toaster oven and a consistently excellent air fryer. It's large enough to replace your oven. Truly, Breville claims it can roast a 14-pound turkey. It can also proof bread, dehydrate, and slow cook. The digital controls are intuitive to program, and there's a bright oven light, but I do have one major quibble. The manual doesn't have any recommendations for what, how much, or how long to cook various foods. This may not be a problem for baking or roasting, but if you're new to air frying, you're on your own. Also, all the parts re-hand washing. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro with Element IQ system is a versatile countertop oven allowing you to roast, air fry, and dehydrate. Super convection reduces cooking time by up to 30%. Choose from 13 cooking functions, includes interior oven light. Element IQ system, with 5 independent quartz elements, smart algorithms steer oven's power where and when it's needed to create a tailored cooking environment. Sensing and digital PID temperature control eliminate cold spots for precise cooking. Number 3. Ninja Foodi DT201. Most versatile. Although pricey, the Ninja Foodi 10-in-1 XL Pro Air Fry Oven DT201 is an exceptionally well-designed and versatile appliance. The digital controls and readout are conveniently situated on the handle, right at eye level. That lets the entire appliance devote its space to the oven cavity, which can toast 9 slices of bread, roast a 5-pound chicken, or bake 2 trays of cookies at once. When selecting a function on the control panel, it tells you which rack to use. What makes this Ninja smart is a thermometer that plugs into the unit, allowing it to cook to precise temperatures automatically. Your beef tenderloin will always come out medium rare, and your chicken will never be undercooked. The Ninja gave us evenly toasted bread, even when we loaded it up to capacity, a 12-inch pizza and a batch of biscuits baked to perfection in the time recommended on the package. In air fry mode, it browned and crisped French fries and both homemade and frozen chicken nuggets to a light golden brown. Once a cooking mode is selected, the Ninja automatically enters a short preheat cycle. It then beeps when it's time to place food in the oven. Note that this product is large and heavy. It'll take a good chunk of countertop space and won't be easy to move once it's there. The oven racks and air fryer basket can be cleaned in the dishwasher, though. Ninja includes an extremely thorough owner's guide and a cookbook with charts, recipes, and detailed instructions for multi-rack cooking. Number 4. Instant Omni Plus. If you're looking for a large countertop oven that also toasts and air fries, the Instant Omni Plus multi-use toaster oven fits the bill. It roasts an incredibly crispy rotisserie chicken, but also toasts bread evenly. It competes with the best air fryers for making French fries. You will need to adjust the cooking times. Toasted bread and bagels tend to come out a little lighter than the selected setting. Meanwhile, baked goods like rolls and pizza emerge a little darker. The oven is beautifully designed with intuitive, easy-to-read electronic controls. It has lots of settings, including dehydrate and slow cook. The pre-programmed times and temperatures cover many functions and types of food. The included guide gets you started, but for complete instructions, for example, for the rotisserie, you have to visit the company website. You can pop all the parts in the dishwasher for cleaning. Before buying the Omni Plus, make sure you have enough room on your countertop and under your cabinets to accommodate it, as well as storage space for all the accessories. Number 5. Ninja Foodi Digital Air Fry Oven. The Ninja Foodi Digital Air Fry Oven is somewhat unusual. It's wider and shorter than most toaster ovens. You'll need plenty of counter space to dedicate to it. Its width lets it comfortably toast 9 slices of bread at once. Its Larnenstickig sheet pan can cook chicken, beef, or shrimp and veggies for 4 in under 30 minutes. However, it's not tall enough to roast a chicken. Whether you prefer plain white bread or a seeded bagel, the Ninja will toast them beautifully. It can also bake up biscuits and broil a few chicken breasts, as well as any countertop or full-size oven. Unfortunately, it's only middling at air frying, so it's best for people who only occasionally fry up frozen fries or mozzarella sticks. The digital controls use a dial and are easy to read and navigate. I love the Ninja's 1-minute preheat. It's light for checking on your food during cooking, and it's quiet operation. When this oven isn't in use, you can flip it over and stand it up at the back of the countertop. The back also opens for easy access to the interior for cleaning. So after 50 hours of testing, these are the 5 best air fryer toaster ovens of 2026. My personal pick is number 1. It's been on my counter for 2 weeks and I haven't touched my real oven since. All links to check current prices are in the description below. These deals change fast, so grab yours while you can. Now I gotta know, what's the first thing you'd air fry? Drop it in the comments, I reply to everyone. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more 2026 kitchen tech. Thanks for watching. Stay crispy.